There's a weird noise coming from the hallway. Somebody walked in the hallway a minute ago, guys. I hear this quite a lot around this time. I hear what sounds like the gate clicking. And some orbs coming in. Whoever was in the hallway, can you bang? Can you show yourselves? My boy heard the same thing as I did. We both just stared at each other and looked at the doorway. And I think he could see what I was seeing. There was some guy standing there. Oh, hello. Lots of little orbs. Thank you, spirits.